you verify the compatibility standards on that last batch?
Yes, all specifications met. The automated system confirmed it.
The automated system is optimizing the wave soldering process flow.
Quality consistency remains exceptional on this run.
Agreed. Precision is holding steady.
Our manufacturing sequence utilizes sophisticated automated systems and robotic handling for conformal coating applications.
The automated systems are maintaining exceptional precision on the solder paste application.
The latest SP.
This AOI sequence is maximizing our yield efficiency.
Look at the X-ray imaging on batch 7.
Precision metrics
Vision inspection confirms perfect alignment.
Yield rates are holding at 99.8%.
Consistent quality across the batch.
Demonstrating operational excellence and a continuous commitment to innovation, we maintain exceptional precision and quality consistency. Environmental controls are nominal across the board.
The predictive analytics confirm we're exceeding the quality outcomes target.
This phase focuses on advanced systems integration, utilizing automated guided vehicles and sophisticated trade.
Implementing our advanced systems integration phase, we utilize real-time monitoring and predictive analytics for exceptional product reliability. Implementing production scheduling optimization tools guarantees optimal production efficiency and exceptional quality outcomes. Comprehensive testing procedures conducting rigorous environmental stress screening protocols utilizing advanced semiconductor fabrication with certified instrumentation.
The statistical process control data confirms compliance with all industry protocols.
We have validated
The RF sweep looks clean on the spectrum analyzer.
Agreed. Documenting the final emissions measurements for the compliance report.
reliability demonstration tests are complete. All systems show nominal performance.
Commencing final authorization sequence for product release.
The consumption levels are stabilizing within the threshold.
Thermal integrity is confirmed on the primary unit.
The jitter measurements are stable now.
Good. I'm correlating these results with the previous build data in the LIM system.
We've completed the interoperability testing. The results meet all global regulatory requirements.
Check the waveforms on channel 3. Are we within the performance parameters?
Yes, the validation protocols confirm stability across all inputs.
The failure forecasting metrics are green across all platforms.
Excellent. That confirms our continuous quality improvement targets.
The SPC analysis confirms the impact of our Kaizen initiatives.
Exactly, and that translates directly to improved
Operational management phase, implementing cost reduction optimization programs utilizing electrostatic discharge protection with cross-functional teams.
The integrated systems are maximizing our efficiency.
The continuous improvement strategy.
Yield is at 98%.
Throughput capacity utilization is up 20%. This reflects the success of the new optimization methodologies.
The defect detection system is flagging an anomaly on the east line.
Inventory impact?
Minimal.
The data confirms that our integrated management systems are maximizing manufacturing excellence.
Excellent work. The quality improvement is evident.
The warranty return rate dropped by 15% this quarter.
That confirms the effectiveness of the new thermal management protocols.
The failure analysis confirms the root cause here.
Reworking the signal integrity pathway now. The updates are pushing through the system.
Quality improvement confirmed. This integrated management system drives innovation by utilizing electromagnetic compatibility standards. Precisely.
It maximizes.
The new algorithm significantly reduces the error rate in the manufacturing process.
We should implement the
integration sequence looks stable.
Check the torque metrics on ARM4.
Optimization increased throughput by 15%.
The 5G integration protocol is a success.
Yield efficiency is maximized across
The manufacturing line.
Innovation Development Laboratory, actively researching and systematically developing transformative next-generation quantum dot display technology. Here in the lab, we are systematically developing transformative next-generation graphene components, positioning us for a competitive advantage in the market.
We're developing next-generation flexible electronics, strategically combining fundamental research with manufacturing applications.
The simulation confirms the thermal efficiency improvements.
Excellent. Let's cross-reference that with the regulatory compliance data.
Look at the projection stability on the mixed reality headset.
That significantly reduces assembly time.
The global rollout should prioritize the European hubs first.
The real-time data confirms the simulation parameters.
Excellent. We can now integrate this into the manufacturing application.
Strategic business operations, systematically managing brand reputation strategies.
Strategic business operations, utilizing comprehensive market analytics and sustainability reporting transparency.
This decision framework optimizes our approach to the new architecture.
It ensures we maintain our competitive advantage in the electronics sector.
This route optimization will reduce lead time significantly.
And the reliability index confirms the quality standards are met across the board.
The enterprise platform confirms significant cost reduction if we optimize the Asian supply chain.
Agreed, but we must verify the... This is the integrated production ecosystem, strategically positioned within the global electronics supply chain, serving billions of consumers worldwide. A complete, integrated production ecosystem strategically positioned within the global supply chain, serving billions worldwide. Strategically positioned, this integrated ecosystem powers the global electronics supply chain, serving billions worldwide.
The automated testing integration has stabilized the yield significantly.
And the real-time data confirms our efficiency.
We are witnessing the future of manufacturing. A seamlessly integrated ecosystem serving billions worldwide. Enabling the next generation of wearable technology requires absolute precision and reliability in manufacturing. Our production capabilities have advanced rapidly, moving from hand soldering to today's automated smart manufacturing. These control charts show the yield efficiency dropping below the target threshold.
We need to analyze the manufacturing parameters for the last 3 lots.
We need to ensure these components meet the ESD protection standards.
And verify the manufacturing parameters align with our target. Adjusting the manufacturing parameters here should optimize the flow.
The performance targets confirm that approach improves our quality assurance metrics.
As you can see on the screen, the thermal simulation modeling confirms our approach to the critical design specifications and performance targets.
The simulation shows we're exceeding the performance targets here.
Reworking the parameters now, the defect detection system confirms. This section here confirms we meet the stringent industry standards for radiated immunity.
Excellent. Let's upload the final report to the traceability platform.
These critical design specifications must be maintained across all manufacturing parameters.
Contamination control.
The thermal gradient is stabilizing within tolerance.
Confirmed. System looks good for phase 2.
Checklist item 4.2 validated.
We need to ensure the soak times meet the JDEC standard listed here.
If we adjust the ramp rate slightly, we achieve full compliance for mass production.
The system is implementing precision assembly, adhering strictly to specifications. This meticulous preparation ensures manufacturing readiness.
The visual inspection on line 3 is showing consistent quality. Good.
Monitor the thermal output on the new components closely.
Sequence utilizes flying probe testing and boundary scan systems, implementing precision electronics assembly for reliable consumer technology solutions.